today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Microsoft Excel through your Dropbox account. If you prefer keeping files in one place and hate jumping between apps, this quick walkthrough is for you. This method works the same on Windows, Mac, and most modern browsers, and it's ideal when you want a clean, cloud-first workflow. Start by opening Dropbox either in the mobile or desktop app, or by visiting the Dropbox website in your browser. Sign in so you land on your home screen. At the top, you'll see the New button. Go ahead and click that. Then from the menu, choose Spreadsheet. This tells Dropbox you want to create a new spreadsheet file right inside your storage, so you don't have to create it somewhere else and move it later. Next, choose Microsoft Excel as the editor for the spreadsheet. A prompt will appear asking for permission to link your Microsoft Excel account with your Dropbox account. This is normal and required so the two services can talk to each other and open the file seamlessly. Click Allow to continue. Think of it as a handshake between Dropbox and Excel that lets you create and edit workbooks without manual downloads or uploads. If you're ever curious, you can review or remove connections in your account settings later. After you allow the connection, you'll be redirected to Microsoft Excel and a fresh, blank spreadsheet will open automatically. You're now working in Excel, but the file is saved to your Dropbox, so your edits are kept in the same place where you started. You can type, format, and calculate just like you would in any other Excel workbook, with the convenience of cloud storage behind the scenes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your internet connection is stable while you're working so changes sync reliably. If you don't see the New button, double-check that you're on the home screen in Dropbox or reload the page. On some business accounts, admins manage which apps can be linked, so if Excel doesn't appear as an option, that may be why. And if you ever prefer using the browser, the steps are identical there. And that's all there is to it. You opened Dropbox, created a new spreadsheet, selected Microsoft Excel, allowed the link, and were taken straight into a blank workbook ready for your work. Simple, fast, and all in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay